Hey guys, Zakk here from MixChecks.com. Welcome to a quick mix of a song called Do This in Remembrance. It's actually a gospel track, and it is actually the very first mixing course that I ever uploaded to YouTube. I'm going back and adding some quick mixes to mixing courses that I missed whenever I didn't know what I was doing on YouTube. And I was just uploading stuff, so you'll probably notice a difference in video quality from this one to the actual mixing course videos. But I just wanted them to have the complete package in their playlist, so I'm going back and uploading these. So let's jump right into the quick mix.
Eat of me. This is my body, this is my blood. Take this bread and this cup, blessed and anointed by God above. This is my gift, my covenant. This is the symbol of my love. Oh, do this in remembrance of me. Partake of me and claim your liberty. This is to show my undying love for thee. Do this in remembrance of me. Oh.
Drawing near, the time has come for us to part. So take this promise I made. I will always believe within your heart. My undying love for thee. Do this in remembrance of me.
I give to you a gift on this night. The gift I give is the gift of eternal life. Thank